Hey friends, if you wish to backup and restore registry on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Open the registry editor window and open registry editor. Then click on file. First of all, go to the key you wish to backup. I mean the key, not the dword entries, the key because it backs up a key. Click on file, select export, and then it will save it as an reg file. Select a good location, say that it is, I'll name it anything that I want to. I'll click on save. Now this is how you export a file. It doesn't matter what changes I make here. It absolutely doesn't matter, because when I import it, it will import the previously stored file. Click on file, select import, click on the reg file, click on open, and it has been successfully added to the registry. This is how simple it is. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video. We will investigate further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.